Yo, what's up guys, it's your boy Daniel here, back with another video. And what a special day we got here today. We broke $60,000 in our portfolio equity on eToro account. Oh boy, I'm so happy for this. It's incredible. What a green day actually. We are up today by 2.3%, which is like $1.3 thousand. What an amazing day. When we look at the year to date, up by $38,000 so far. I don't know how much is this accurate, but what a ride so far. And how does this actually happen? Well guys, most of you know that we are back in the crypto like 2 months ago, or it can be actually already 3 months ago, but I think 2 months ago I've made a video where I was talking about the next crypto rally that is coming and you should buy crypto back then. Same stuff like with Moderna. I mean, when I've mentioned Moderna, since the video I've mentioned it for first time, Moderna gained like almost 200%. Same stuff here with crypto. If you've bought crypto back then when I told you, you could make absolute massive profits. But it wasn't like that. Back in May I sold my crypto, but I sold my crypto just to rebuy, just to buy the crypto for more money, which I did, because now when we look at our portfolio, our top 3 positions are cryptocurrencies. First one is Ethereum with 17% money allocated, second one is Cardano with almost 9%, third one is Solana, and the fifth one is actually Binance coin. So out of 5 of our biggest holdings are 4 cryptocurrencies, which are actually carrying us to massive results. We also held a couple bitcoins, but I've sold it all for like 10% profit. The futures ETF of Bitcoin just absolutely boosted crypto to the moon. But if you're considering buying, today is a huge hype day. I believe that in next couple days crypto will be kinda like, we'll see, you know, we have to find the floor, we have to find the, if we go back to the all-time high, and where we will find the next support for our crypto so we can go even further. We have around $5,000 on our hand and I am planning to add some money, around $1,500 maybe, just because I believe I'm so bullish on this rally that I'm going to even add more money in. By the way guys, we got some news on eToro. I didn't even notice. I found it out actually today while I'm making this video. eToro added new cryptocurrencies. Look at this: 1inch, Curve, Spark, Atom, Filecoin. Well, eToro is growing even in cryptocurrencies, so for you new investors or investors outside of eToro, you can come and join. You can join our investing group, which is absolutely free. Currently 24 people, as you can see. Since May we've dropped by more than half, but it was because of my inactivity and actually not the greatest results, as you can see here. From May to July, it was 3 months we've been in minus, but when we look at the August, back with 4%, September -5%, and tomorrow when it will be loaded we are up by 8%. And current yearly profit 34%. As I've told you, the goal was 30%, but I'm aiming for that sweet 40 and beyond. So for all of you who are considering to join, now is the good time, guys. Actually, some of the people are leaving now. I don't know if they've been waiting just to withdrawing their money in profit or so, but nevertheless, the doors are open, guys. I'm back, more active than ever. Our strategy is kind of changed. We are like the mix. You can read about my strategy in our bio on eToro, but the current strategy that we have right now, well, we are mostly invested in companies which I am planning to hold for a long period of time, and then we are trading the cryptocurrencies plus indices plus commodities, because I believe that the rally is going to last until end of the year, maybe even in the beginning of next year. And you know, we have to make the most money we can right now, because the months like these, May to July, they will come. So we have to make our profits before these months will come. And mark my words, they will come. The bad times will come, so we have to make the best results in the best times. So as I've told you, I'm bullish on commodities, indices and crypto overall. So we are going to trade it either for a short period of time or maybe for like a couple of months probably. And the stocks that we are holding, those are actually bringing us down now, but you know, we have to rebalance it with our short-term trades, so we will still be profitable. And when we close the short-term trades, then the rally of our hodls will begin, and then we can sell our hodl positions. For example, this Perry Efficient was a trade that I bought yesterday. Today we are down by 4%. There is no shame, guys, to close in a loss. So I could close it right now, but the trend line is so beautiful that we will let it run for at least tomorrow, and we'll see how we are on it. So yeah, that was for the strategy, that was for the portfolio, and as I've told you, the doors are open and let's make some money. My name is Daniel and I'm out. See you next time. Peace.